Okay, we are going to look at downloading maps to Avenza. The first way we have to download a map to Avenza is by the Avenza store itself. So when we're on the map page here, we can click on Store at the bottom, and we'll click on Find Maps. And then what that does now is it opens up our location. As we know from earlier, our location is going to be the blue dot centered in the middle. And then we can see all these pins around us, and these pins are available maps, at least maps for free or for purchase through the Avenza store. So now I see where I'm at. I see there's a map pretty close by. So I'm going to click or touch it. And then that is going to show me a map page. It's going to show me the outline of a map for that area. And that's important because if I click on something farther away, I can see, well, that doesn't cover the area I'm in right now. I want to find someone that covers my area. So I click this, I see that it covers my area, so now I can look at the information, the little eye with the circle in it. I'll tap that, and it shows me a small preview. I could tap it, like it says here, to open up a fair preview of it. Nothing you can really use, but it gives you an idea what the map is. I can read the description here that says it's a topographic USGS map, and more importantly, I want to look down to the publish date on the bottom left, and I can see that it was published or created in June of 2015. So this is a decent map. You can see this is installed already. If it did not say, if I hadn't installed it already, this is a 99-cent map. So for example, if I go up north a bit, so let's say here in Santa Clara, I can click on this one. Here's a USGS map. I'll go to information. Once again, USGS topo map created in 2015. And this one is, in fact, 99 cents. So I find that a lot of the topographic maps are 99 cents on here. You can find like park maps and all kinds of different maps. And you can see on the right side of the screen here, there's a lot of free maps. Typically, the topo maps are 99 cents. You can actually go to the USGS website and download them for free. But it takes a couple extra steps to get on to Avenza. So it's pretty easy to do it just right from here. So that's one way to get maps. The next way, which is really common for us in the fire service now, and like a lot of people are doing, is they're getting their maps from an incident. So in most cases now, if you go to any strike team or if you go to any incident, the base camp, if they're developed, if they're being run by an incident management team, they're going to have maps on display that have QR codes. And so basically all we have to do is if you go to the top right corner of your screen here, you'll see the plus sign. So I'll click on the plus. And that brings up a page here that says, has the Avenza Map Store, but also has the download from iTunes, Dropbox, or a URL or a website. Or if you look again up in the top right corner of that, you're going to see that little box. It has like a couple boxes and one's like a Purina symbol. Well, that is for QR code. And what that is going to do is that is actually going to utilize the camera on your device to take a picture of a URL. So I will press that and actually have a map up on my computer. I don't want to face it at it or it'll catch the QR code right away. So here's a map of an incident. And I'm going to screen left. On the bottom left of this map, there's going to be a QR code or a QR code, and it's going to capture it. And then when it sees that, it's going to go ahead and download the website, and it's going to take me to the place to download that map or or download the map onto Avenza. So here we go. This is the CAL FIRE or incident Dropbox website. This is actually box.com. And you can see in the menu right here, it has the maps, a folder from December 12th, 2017, and then it has an archive for all the resources from the days prior on that incident. So I'm going to go ahead and click on December 12th. And then you'll see here's all the maps. Here's the IR maps. Here's the PIO maps. Sometimes you'll see navigation maps. You might see base camp map. But what we want is the ops map. So I'll click on ops map. And now what it's going to bring up is it's going to bring up a this is a preview of the map. So we can say, yes, this is actually what we want. We can look at it, zoom in a little bit. But now that we have the preview, what I want to do is I want to download this onto the Avenza program, or actually onto my iPad first. So I'm going to press at the bottom, there's that picture of a down arrow onto a line. That's going to be download. So I'm going to press that. And now it's downloading the map from the box site. Okay, so now we have the map downloaded. Now that the map is downloaded, I want to get this onto Avenza. So now I'm going to press the upload box. In the upper right corner, you see a box with the up arrow. I'm going to press that. And then now it's going to give me an option what I want to upload it to. So here you can see in the middle, it's going to say copy to Avenza Maps. So I'm going to press that. And then it's going to go to Avenza, and it's going to start copying the map. Now this is going to take a moment, because a lot of times maps might be, there's a lot of information. This is a high resolution map. So sometimes what they do is they compress the file, so now it has to be uncompressed and opened up onto Avenza. So to save time, I already have it right above, you can see, and I'm going to open that. And then here is the map on Avenza. So you can see the outline of the fire area. You can see over here, here is the active fire. Here's the control line or cold fire. You can see the different divisions, branches. There's helospots. There's all kinds of good information right here. And of course, just like using Avenza, when you go on this map, if you're on the map, you're going to see your location in reference to it and all the stuff that comes with it. So that is how to download a map onto Avenza.